Alright, so now we're going to set up our basic information for the forum. And this can be all changed later. Don't worry if you don't know exactly what you want to call your forum. You can change it later. And I'll show you how to. Right, so I'm going to call this the Paul Nicholson Training Forum. Right, whatever I'm going to call it. If I spelt training, right? But like I say, you can change this later. Now your forum, after your forum has been deployed, you will have the opportunity to have a host name. So at this point, you've got to give it like a unique name, but you're not going to use it, so don't lose a lot of time over this part. The host name is just something you're going to point your website to. So I'm going to call this the PN Forum, right? Something like that. So call it your name or whatever maybe your Twitter handle. Just put that in front of it. So the pnforum.discoursehosting.net. This is not what your forum's going to be at, but it's something we need to point to. Admin username. So I'm going to put Paul. Admin password. I'm going to put in my password. And password for confirmation. I got to type it in again. I'm definitely getting better at typing passwords. I used to read them out loud. This needs to be at least 5. I'm not sure that's true, but here it is. Admin email address. Let's go with the one that we've already put in. So who's your admin? And it's going to obviously create you an admin account, and it's going to create the forum. So here we go. Create the new forum. Have a drink and make coffee. Maybe save that information if you want. Subscription. This is what you've signed up for, and we're going to be able to cancel it here. And we're going to get into other settings now where the initial part is set.